Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this finds you well. Let me just straighten up my table. The card we're making today, let me show you. It's this gorgeous little pocket card. And you've got this little tag that comes out of this tuck spot rather. And a little happy birthday. Now this is a card we made in my online card club. Now I host a monthly online card club in my Facebook group. And we make projects just like this every month. So if you're interested, do hop onto my website and have a look. Let's get started though. I've got a card base here that's thick basic white. So this is an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Okay. I'm just going to put this on the front of our card base. Just like that. I've got glue all over my fingers. Don't know how I manage it. However hard I try, I still get glue all over my fingers. I suppose it means I'm having fun. Okay, so now I've done some die cutting. I'll show you all the bits I've die cut. And I'll first show you the sentiment here. This is happy birthday. And you can see here happy and birthday, and then you've got the silhouette. And this is from the Wanted to Say dies. You can see here, I've used those. So we're going to stick one to the other, just make sure that all the bits that should be popped out are. You can see here the bit here from the Y, the tail of the Y isn't. There's a few other pieces, so just take your pokey tool and pop out any bits that need to be popped out. Okay, I think that's all of them. Okay, so I'm going to bring in my silicone mat in the vain hope that I won't get glue everywhere. And then, where's my tweezers? Here they are. I'm going to start off with my happy. I'm going to put some glue on the back, and I'm just going to use some Tombow. And I've got gunk all over here. Just clean it up quickly with a tissue. And I'm just going to try and just use a very thin, well, I say thin bead of glue as I proceed to loop it out everywhere, but anyway, I think that's too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe off some of that excess on my mat, and that gets it everywhere but also stops it looping up when you lay it flat. That's a tip for you. And then because it's wet glue, you've got some wriggle room to line that up as you wish. Now let's do the same with the birthday. Let's try and get a bead of glue, but as I said, it's because I've got near the end of the glue, so it's not going to come out an even pressure because it's the last vestiges. So I'm going to do the same thing as before, just going to put it down on my mat and just wiggle it about. And that covers the back with glue but also stops the splodging. Use my tweezers to lay that down hopefully where I want it. I use some reverse tweezers, makes this really easy. And that looks too bad. Happy birthday. And this will just clean up easily if you can remember to clean it. Okay, so that's that. So then I did here, let's work with our tag. And this is the tailored tags dies. I'll get those out to show you, and I used the largest one of these, this shape. So I cut that out of basic white cardstock, and I'm going to cut a little bit of ribbon now to put at the top. So I'm going to get my scissors and just cut off a little bit of ribbon here at the top, and then I'm going to feed that through. Just like that. And then I'm going to use a block to hold this there. while I get some baker's twine. This is the white baker's twine. It comes in the essentials pack. It doesn't come looking like this anymore, but that's because mine is, I have a stack of it that I have from ages ago that I'm trying to get through. There we go, this is a new one. Just take this sellotape off, take a bit of twine off. And I should have said this is the Lost Lagoon bordered ribbon. I don't think I told you what it was. And we're just going to hopefully try and tie a bow of some sort here at the top. So let's see. I'm not good with bows, as you will know if you've been watching my channel. So I'm going to tie one knot, and then I think I'm going to tie another knot just to hold that sort of in position. And then we are going to try and tie a bow. I do envy people who can tie pretty bows, but I can't. Not a hope. So it will be what it will be. Let's get rid of all of these long tails. And it will just have to be like that. Not the prettiest, but not the ugliest either. Now I've got two pieces here that I've cut out of using the Country Callers dies, which are these. I use the second and third largest. This is Lost Lagoon cardstock, and this is also the Zany Zoo Designer Series paper. And I'm going to stick this one down on top of my Lost Lagoon. Just like that. Okay. And now I want to try and have a thin bead of glue which is going to go around here, but not at the upper bit. So let's see if we can manage this. Let's see if anything will actually come out. That didn't work. I don't really want that big splodge there, so I'm just going to use my tissue to wipe it away. I'm just keeping near the edge if possible. I'm not doing the best job, as you can tell. I'm just going to wipe some of this excess glue using my tissue. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it down in the centre of our card on the front. Like that. Press it down around the edges. Now we're going to take this piece here. And I can't remember, did I pop this up? Yes, I popped this up on dimensionals. So let's get some dimensionals out. Here they are, and I'm going to use some just for ease. I'm going to use some of these edges. There we go. Where's my scissors gone? Oh, here it is. And I'm going to use just a little bit. Let's see if we can sort of pop this here. I don't know if one will fit there. Will it? Yeah, it will. That will do. The other way to do this is to cut multiples of the shadow, like 3 or 4 of them, and layer them up on top of each other with glue, and then you'll get dimension as well. But this is going to work for now. I'm going to stick them on the front just like that, and I'm going to bring our little tag, and there we go. Fits in lovely. And there we are. There are our 2 cards. Which do you prefer? The white on the black or the black on the white? You can let me know. So I hope you liked those 2 cards. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the project, supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.